put that in my lap?
Shut up, you fucking fat pussy.
Yeah, I am a pussy. 51 years old. I don't want to work hard. I work smart.
One of those wrenches. I'm gonna find the flathead real quick. Need another beer?
Yep.
Actually, you don't need one.
What's going on here? What are we doing?
We're just trying to find a wrench that fits that. And this one looks like it does. And you want to be careful because these are sharp. So because I'm pushing towards sharp metal, I'm going to be somewhat careful with the fat part of my hand. Okay.
Alcohol and chainsaws. What can go wrong?
Oh, it's perfect.
All right, those two are loose. These could be the set screws. I don't know. No, that's for the safety.
That's the safety, yeah.
Okay, well, don't argue with me, son.
You can't just tighten it with that.
Oh, is that what that's for? Mm-hmm. I've never had a cheap saw like this. Go get me a little screwdriver then. Push my beer halfway across America like it's an illegal alien. And then he throws the wrench I had back into the mix. Where's my wrench? Brad threw it back.
One of these. May have been this one.
That little adjuster deal won't get it quite tight enough, but it's way better than it was. I'm not real familiar with it. I've never adjusted a...
Oh, that's perfect. Did you tighten those back up?
Not yet.
Yeah,
but
that's fine. That's fine.
Once it gets
it's
going,
a little loose.
It won't tighten anymore?
It's the best I could get it. Unless I take this red plate off and dig into...
Do what you want.
Well, how bad do you want to cut wood tonight?
How bad do you want a fucking fire?
I thought we were doing a threesome.
who's the third person?
That's what you get for thinking. In your dreams, pal.
I mean, we can look at it. But I'm not dedicating... I have no beer. I'm working for free here. I'm being taken advantage of.
Unbelievable.
You call that work?
No, I'm not getting paid anything for my time here.
You get the train. You got your hair did. You got your head.
No, but I'm moving to L.A. I'm going to be a movie star.
Well, you test it out on one of the little ones first. Just all that sap that's going to come out of those fucking pines destroys fucking chainsaws.
I don't like doing this.
I think it needs gas, Jay.
Okay, go fill it up.
Is it in the on button?
Which one?
This. Stop.
See? Does it want to go?
I thought you said there...
Look, there's gas in there. You don't need choke in this heat.
Why'd you pull the choke out then?
I'm from Michigan. Did I flood it?
No, I don't think there's any fucking gas in there.
Look. There's gas in it. I'm priming the carburetor right now. I might need more. I think I flooded it. I'll bet your spark plug is fucking hit.
What's the difference between pulling the... This really isn't a good idea anyway. I don't even want to be that close to your deck. Come on, what good are you? You're the This is the fucking so-called expert. Can't even get a chainsaw started. Look, Lee gave up.
So my saw.
You suck. You suck, and you're useless. You fucking did nothing.
I had a steel chainsaw from Sweden. They come in an orange box. STI.
HL, that's Sweden?
Yeah,
That's my weed whacker.
yeah. I had a steel chainsaw. There we go. I got it warmed up for you, bitch.
Where should we start? Wouldn't it be great if you're filming, I chop my fucking foot off?
Keep drinking, you will eventually.
You gotta come pick up the log.
Don't hit the dirt. That dulls the blade. Brad,
You have to carry the logs over.
let me do one.
All right, step back.
Too much weight. It's pinching in on the blade.
Right, chop up the top, the smaller part. Chop the smaller part. Go ahead, right through.
What? What's wrong?
You gotta prop up the wood so it's not such hard work. And then the logs just fall off as you cut them. The end you're cutting on, you hoist it up. So as you cut 18-inch logs, they fall to the ground. Bam, 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 bam. Don't abuse your saw. Run it at high throttle. Got an idiot here. When you're cutting logs, you should always have some sort of leverage and gravity working for you so that you don't pinch your blade and the lumber falls away from your saw. Brad has nothing.
do some deadlifting, fat fuck.
Jay's over here armchair quarterbacking your
Of course.
your chainsaw work.
Meanwhile, what did he do? Chop two fucking little limbs?